ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. In the last two parts, you might have learned and seen the past tense and the present tense video. If you have not learned the past tense and present tense, I request you all to go and learn the past tense and present tense first. Then you can start with this video. In this video, we'll be learning future tense, which is called as BHAVISHYATH KAALA in Kannada. So, Kannadadalli future tense is called as BHAVISHYATH KAALA. Okay, na? So, first always remember, as I mentioned, we have to write Nanu, Navu, Avanu, Avalu, Avaru, and Adu. So, in the past tense, it is very simple. He did, I did, she did, they did. Present tense, it is I am doing, he is doing, she is doing, they are doing, we are doing. Future, it's a simple future. He will play, I'll play, I play, he play, she sing. Idana we will do it in a future tense. I'm really sorry for the background noise. So we'll start with this one. So I will do, basically it will be, again we will be doing for the same verb, which is do, madu. Okay, so it will be ma do tene. There is also one more version of a future tense which we will learn later, but as of now we will learn this one. Okay, I will do is nanu maduttene. Don't get confused with the past and the present. Present ali ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Am I right? Yes. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ it is ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. So next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the last one, the last letter will change. That will be ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. Okay na? I'm really sorry, the dog, it doesn't stop. It keeps barking. This is the reason why I won't be able to do the videos on timely basis, on regular basis. So now instead of a madu, if I take nodu, I will watch cartoon. Nanu cartoon noduttene. I will go. Nanu hoguttene. I will play. Nanu aata aaduttene. I will read. ನಾನು ಓದುತ್ತೇನೆ. Sorry. I will write. ನಾನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತೇನೆ. If you observe, the same thing we did in the present tense also. Present tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ wherever the verb ends with the e or a, we usually what we do, we will add u. The same concept is applicable in future tense also. Whenever the verb ends with the a or e, please add u. Nanu kudiyuttene. So if it is a we, it will be kudiyutteve. Clear? Now we'll come for avanu. ಅವನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ರಾಜ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ರಾಜ ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ರಾಜ ಆಟ ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ. ರಾಣಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಾಣಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫುಡ್. ರಾಣಿ ಆಟ ಆಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಾಣಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ. ರಾಣಿ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅ ಲೆಟರ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ with respect or many people, it's a ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೀಚರ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೀಚರ್ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಕುಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ತಾತ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. This is how we will do. Last one is used for animal and things. That will be ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. For example, ನಾಯಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. The dog will eat food. ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಹಾಲು ಕುಡಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. The cat will drink milk. Okay? So now we have done for ಮಾಡು. Similarly, I want you to do it for different verb. Only then you will understand. Okay? So now you can try for nodu. So the madu will become ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ, ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. Similarly, how will you change the nodu? Write it down. ಆಮೇಲೆ you can try for ಓದು. ಓದು means read. After that, try for kudi. Kudi means drink. After that, try for bare. Bare means write. After try for baru. Baru is basically means come. Ba is a simple version. Baru is used in the present tense and the future tense. Okay na? So remember this. Baru is not used in the past. It is used in present matte future and also in past continuous. Okay? So I hope nimge idu artha agide. I hope you have understood this one. Please practice, which is very very important. And for to practice this, I request you all to take 2 books from Yashaswi Kannadavaani. That is a tense and the Kannada tenses and the learn Kannada tense in Kannada. So both of them, this is a practice book, this is a reference book. I want you to purchase these books, either soft copy or the hard copy. If you need a hard copy, you can just directly contact to me. So you will get the printed copies. If you want the soft copy, if you want to print, download and print, then you can use the link and purchase the books. The link will be mentioned in the comment box as well as in the description box. So till now we have completed past tense, present tense, and future tense, which is very very important. So be very careful, practice every day. After learning this, you will feel really comfortable and interested in your school studies, in your lessons probably. Okay na? So make sure you will practice every day. Doubt idre, please do ask me. Comment sectionally you can mention. Okay, so I'll meet you all with the next video will be on the past continuous. So I request you all to finish this past, present and future before coming to the past continuous. So practice madi, purchase the books. If you want the printed copy, contact me. You will get the printed copy. You can write and practice, which is a wonderful experience and wonderful habit actually. So thank you so much. Please share this video with your friends who are struggling to learn Kannada. Help them. Sharing knowledge is very important. So like madi, share madi, subscribe madi to Yashaswi Kannadavaani YouTube channel. I'll meet you all with one more video very soon. Namaskara. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like madi, share madi, subscribe madi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification So that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.